The question is that in an automobile factory, there is a metal cube of side 40 centimeter and it has a weight of 640 kg. And the cube is then melted to form a rod with cross-section area of a square of side 10 centimeter. And from this rod, a cut is made on the cross-section so that a small cube is cut. Right? And we need to find the weight of this small cube. So this is a pretty easy question to solve. We know that the volume is proportion to the weight, or in fact weight is proportion to the volume, right? So the complete volume for the metallic cube of having side 40 centimeters, so the volume will be 40 cube, so this will be proportionate to 640 kg. Now the next cube which is cut will have the side or the edges for 10 centimeter only, because the cross section area is 10, so such was the rod. So this was the something like the rod, and then the every side will was 10 centimeters. So again a cut was made like this, so that this particular cube, the part is a cube, so length, width and the height will all three will be of 10 centimeters. So this volume for this particular cut cube will be 10 cube, and this is also proportionate to the weight, and let me assume that the weight to be x. So it's simple, this we divide these two equations, so we get that x upon 640 is equal to 10 cube by 40 cube. So with this we get the value of x to be equal to, this will be 1000 into 640 divided by 40 cube can be written as 4 cube, which will be 64 followed by 3 zeros. So these 3 zeros goes out, 64 goes out, so the answer is 10 kg. So the final cube which is cut will have weight of 10 kg.